Okay, I think these are as stuck as they're gonna get, so I'm just going in with the perm. It says to only apply it at the middle of your lashes. If you were to ask me right now if I would do this again, pay money to do this, my answer would be no. Now we wait like 15 minutes. See on the flip side. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Now I'm going to do the Fix lotion. Just goes on the eye and the middle part, and then we wait another 12 minutes or so. I did kind of a poor job getting them to stick at, like the ends to stick, but most of them are actually kind of stuck now, so this might actually work. We shall see. We're gonna do it now. That's actually not too bad. Nourish. This is like a oil. Okay, the real test is, will this last overnight and more than a day? Stay tuned.